Yes.
Maintaining that 1 meter.
Gap.
It's a little bit bumpy, so I'm going to slow down a little bit to give myself a bit more control. Coming up to a crossing, so I'm going to observe the crossing. There is no one, no movement, nor car, nor person, nor bike, nor motorbike. So we're okay to go. There is only hazards on my left now.
Yes.
So we're going to maintain our presence on the right, keeping up at least 1 meter. We have a hazard.
So at the crossroad we are turning left.
Yes, we are. So
Okay.
I'm just gonna keep.
Which
on going.
mirror are we checking first? Center.
Center, always the center.
And then left, yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna indicate. I see some people coming up for the crossroads, but I'm gonna go.
And he's reversing. So we just slow down, he's reversing. Keep it to this side, okay?
Yep.
He's moving, so just stop, let him. Now we go. Good. Another challenge. Oh my God.
Hey,
Left.
the only way you can learn, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Only today.
no hazards, and I'm just gonna keep to my left here.
Okay, keep going.
I can see that a van is coming down. I'm going to keep on going for now. Yep, I am. He's going very slowly.
So after the white car, we slow
Yep.
down more.
I'm going to take my foot off the gas. I'm just going to allow him to pass me.
Yeah,
And then
perfect.
I'm going to head off again. As we come up to the
Is your speed okay for this
nope,
left?
it is not okay. It
Okay.
was too fast.
Yeah.
Apologise. Line
Okay,
corner. We're going to turn. There are no hazards, so we're going to straighten out.
What's the plan here? Make plan early.
There's a gentleman running down the street.
So which way we're moving? There's
We're
a
going to
car.
move to the right.
Yes.
He is running down the street, so I'm going to stop here.
we'll just stop here. Remember 2 cars?
Yep, 2 cars. This is
Yeah.
definitely 2 cars
Now
length.
these are 2 cars.
Oh. There's a gentleman who
Yeah.
just moved out of the pavement.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Now is your path clear?
Oh, he's moving off, so I'm going to wait for him to move off. You can see him.
Just hold the wheel.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yep, he's indicating out, so I'm going to wait here. So wait
Now
for him
let's
to go.
get ready.
Yes. Observe.
Okay.
Central.
But no signal.
Nope.
Because we were waiting for the lady, so we need to just go. That's good. That's good. Just open you this fresh air. Keep
Yep.
you on this side.
Yep. Keeping to the right. There is a van here blocking my view. So we're just going to go very slowly around this corner. There is no hazard coming up, so we're going to go forward.
Yeah. Perfectly fine. Keep going.
Slow down again for this.
It's fine. Keep going now.
Can't see around the corner, so we're going to go nice and slow. Keep on going.
And then we're going to pull up after the white car
Yep.
in safe place.
And making sure to maintain my distance.
So between white and silver car in middle, okay?
Okay.
The second
Slow
lamppost.
down. This white car up ahead.
Yeah, we just pull up here. It's
Okay.
okay. Okay.
Not the best stop in the world. And
Just
then-
move forward a little bit. So keep your car straight. And stop. This is fine.
Apologies.
Gentle braking, okay?
Apologies.
No, it's fine.
And then relax.
Okay. So now what happened now? Just reflect on it. Just take it easy. It's okay.
I think I suffer from the same I did last time.
Yeah. For the space.
The space.
Yeah.
When I was turning left at that first left, I should have stopped and waited for him to go.
Yeah. When the car's coming from their oncoming car and you stopping 2 spaces back, 2 car spaces back, we
Yeah.
call this hold back position.
Okay.
So remember this, okay? Hold back position.
Mm-hmm.
So sometime when we hold back for oncoming cars, remember always 2 cars. Always 2 cars. Because
Always 2 cars.
yes.
Okay. So I think with that, the Range Rover, I think it was a Range Rover or a Land Rover, I
Yeah.
should have stopped and
Yeah.
waited. Initially, I tried to go around him.
Yeah.
I should have stopped, waited, and to see what he was going to do because the vehicle was still active.
Yes.
So obviously wait for that to go, and then after that, I noticed the van, the larger vehicle, coming towards me. I judged that I had enough time to go around the white car and then stop, allowing him to, well, not stop, sorry, to slow down to allow him to go past me. I was going a little bit too fast when I initially came to the second corner.
Okay.
I then slowed down and made the turn.
Yes.
Making the turn, noticed no hazards initially, so I was able to go forward. There was then an initial hazard of the car, so I moved to the right, maintaining my 1 meter distance.
Okay.
What else happened? There was the lady, wasn't there?
Yeah, the lady, she was there.
Yes. Noticed a hazard, a lady sprinting down the street, so I pulled into the left and stopped.
Stop for her.
Leaving a 2 car distance with the car in front. At that same time, an elderly gentleman got into a car.
Yeah.
He then indicated to leave, so I waited where I was.
Yes.
Took my hands off the wheel. Should always keep them on.
Keep them on.
Always on,
When
tending
the
to.
car on move,
Yeah.
you don't take them off. Only when you stop on the left, on the safe side, then.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
Okay, it's not safe.
So I waited for that lady to go onto the pavement and the gentleman to move off before I then moved off again, which I was able to do.
Yes.
Going forward, kept to the right as there were hazards on my left, and then I slowed down for the final corner as I couldn't see any hazards that may be coming my way.
Yes.
Once I went round the corner, I maintained my trajectory in the middle because there were hazards on the left and right at that point.
Yeah.
And then I was asked to pull up. I checked my mirrors,
Yes.
indicated,
And you come here.
and I went in. Although not straight
Did you
enough.
check your mirrors and you remember the signal on the left?
Did I signal? I checked my mirrors,
Yes.
but I don't think I signaled.
Yes. So only one thing is missing. So now we're gonna do last circle.
Okay.
And this circle, when you coming up here, pulling to the left, I just want to see your mirror check and signal, okay?
Okay. Cool.
And when you turning left, check, assess the road properly.
Yeah.
Only these 2 mistakes, we're gonna fix this in this circle.
Yeah, of course.
Okay?
So whenever I'm turning, it's always looking in that respective mirror.
Yes,
So if I go
always,
right,
always. Always.
central and then right.
And blind
And blind
spot.
Okay.
Always. Whenever you moving off. if you don't check it on the test day, and the car's coming really fast and you pull out, it's fair.
Immediate fail. Okay.
Yes.
And then when I'm doing an actual turning left
Yes.
or right, you check the mirror
On that
respective.
side.
Yeah.
Whenever
Okay.
if you're turning left, center left. If you're turning right, center right.
Center right.
These
So
are linked.
Always center
Always.
first.
So
Okay.
we check around in surroundings, but first inside and right,
Okay.
or inside or left. Let's get ready. When you're ready, tell me and then move on.
Cool. Okay, I'm just gonna prepare.
Again, okay?
Make sure I'm okay.
So this time we're gonna fix all the mistakes. We're gonna try our
We're
best.
gonna try our very best. This is,
Okay.
I can feel it, you know.
Yeah,
feel it in
yeah,
my
I
bones.
know.
So
Okay.
first of all, observe. So on the left,
Yes.
mirror 1, central mirror,
Oh,
right mirror, blind spot.
So tell yourself it's safe.
It is safe to go. There are no immediate hazards that I can see.
That's fine.
I'm going to put my foot on the brake.
Yes.
So I don't move when I go into drive.
Okay.
Hands are on the wheel.
Yeah, and 10 and 2. Okay, 10 and 2.
10 and 2.
That's fine. So this is like clockwise. 12 is here. This is 6. So where's 2 and 10?
Here and here. These lumps are.
No, middle.
That'd be 9, wouldn't it?
No, 10. This is 12.
Yeah.
So where's 10?
Yeah. That'd be 11.
Yeah.
10.
10 and 2. 10 and 2.
10. 2.
Is this your 10 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would
Then
say
get
that's
ready.
10 and 2.
That's fine. Because we keep it here.
Do
Little
we?
bit down.
Okay.
Yeah? That's
So-
it. Yeah.
Okay.
It depends on every person, okay? But this is like clock.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So
that
get
makes sense.
ready.
Okay, we need to re-observe, I think.
Yes, again, because that observation is off now.
Yes, it's off now.
Again.
There are people moving ahead, but they're okay.
It's not
There is a
safe
hazard
now.
coming, so we're going to wait for
Yeah.
him to go.
Situation changes in
Yeah.
1 second. Okay,
We'll wait for him to go. Another one to go.
then we go.
I think we're going to observe once more. I
Yeah,
think.
the last time you are right.
Cool.
You have to.
Yeah. We're
Okay.
going to put ourselves
Okay.
into drive.
And when you signal on, that means you need to go off.
Okay.
Otherwise, those observations gonna go off. Keep going. Remember, this car is here,
Yep.
so
We're
move.
going to move to the middle because we have
Yeah.
a couple of things.
Okay.
The 2
This
hazards.
is your speed. Just reduce,
slow
ease off a
down.
bit. So there's a car coming.
There's a car
Really.
coming. We're gonna-
Remember 2 spaces, but
Oh,
he's
no.
not coming.
He's
Good.
not coming. I
You are
reacted
lucky this
too
time.
early. Yeah.
Okay. This is fine.
I'm going to keep on going nice and slowly. Keep to the centre because we have hazards on the left and right.
Yeah, he's coming, so we keep on the left. But he's parking, I think. Yeah.
He is indeed.
Good.
We can go around him. Yep.
Yeah.
And we're going
He's
to keep
parked.
nice to the right to give him lots of space.
Yes. So at the crossroad, we are turning left.
Okay.
Keep going.